Davies, member of the Finance Committee. We've been talking to local businesses this morning about our inquiry into Finance Wales. I think there were very positive messages about Finance Wales, but there were also some negative points made as well by small businesses. I think the two negative points that were made were that businesses would like to see much more business support and advice being provided, and also there were concerns around some of the application process. That application process could be much quicker as well. But there were also some very positive points from some of the businesses. They found dealing with Finance Wales a very good experience and very helpful, and some businesses made it absolutely clear to us this morning that they wouldn't even be based in Wales if it wasn't for Finance Wales. So there were certainly some positive messages, but there were certainly some negative messages. But of course, this session we had this morning will help us now in our inquiry over the next few weeks.